Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Solana. My Solana family, we're going to be talking about what is happening with Solana's price right now and where we could see the price heading as we do go into this upcoming weekend ahead of us. Let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at the daily time frame, especially the top 100 coins, we're seeing a lot of green across the board. Not anything crazy, but market is in green, and the reason as to why that's the case is because Bitcoin dominance is still quite low, and Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a move towards the upside, which obviously is impacting altcoins. And altcoin season is in full effect. If we're looking at Solana on the monthly time frame, it's one of the top gainers, up 53.8%. So a lot of people are going to forget about this, but it's right in front of us. When we look at it from the monthly time frame, we get a different outlook as to what really is happening with Sol. But we could be in for even higher prices, so let's get into that. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price, $25.75, we're up about 1.8% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up about 1.2% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap approaching that $10.4 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume approaching that $443.5 million. So not bad when we're looking at the overall market cap. It has been pretty much ranging within this, market cap, valuation around that $10 billion. But now let's take a quick look at the price. Of course, that's what everyone is here for. Like, what exactly is happening with the price? Let's go look at the bigger picture. I know there's a lot of new money coming into the space. You guys might have not, seen my channel before, so welcome. If this is your first time coming into the crypto space as well, welcome. You're in for a, massive ride. Be prepared, guys. But you guys can see, basically, if we're looking at the price of Solana on the bigger time scale, you guys can see Solana had an all-time high of $259, which was last bull cycle in November. And, since then, we pretty much have seen a massive retracement, which again is to be expected after its highs. We do tend to see this. To be exact, if you want to, measure the price from the current price levels, we are about only. Now, you guys are going to be saying, only, what do you mean Crypto ZX? well, when you're in crypto, when you're in crypto for, 8 years, you'll know what I mean. So 877% for us to retest that all-time high. But if we're looking at the charts on the daily time frame, if we're looking at the price right now, it seems like nothing has happened. Literally, it seems like nothing has happened, but a lot has happened. So let's look a little further into what I mean. So, oopsies, this is not what we need to do. This is what we need. All right. Okay, look at this, guys. So basically, keep an eye out on this blue zone. Literally, since the price of Solana broke below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, we've only been in a downwards trend. Saw a bottom of $8.46 during the FTX time, but pretty much after that, we've seen the price literally hang around this range. This is really nice, and this has built up pretty much a massive support line. We did lose this when obviously it was called the security, went all the way to that $12 mark. But anyone that picked up the bloodbath around that $12 mark is up right now about 100%, which is insane. So what exactly is happening with the price of Solana right now? So we are having once again that huge battle between this level of resistance at $26.90. So we did make a yearly high at $32, which we were anticipating, but right now we're finding ourselves exactly where we were before. Pretty much throughout the year of 2023. You guys can see we've bounced back and forth around this resistance so many times, but this time around we are being supported. And obviously now at the same time, we're being supported by the previous wicks as it were, breaking towards the upside. But at the same time, one thing you guys need to realize is, it has gone back above like 4 to 5 times after. I am expecting that, we will see Solana go back above this level of resistance sooner rather than later. And then we will see that next target that I'm aiming for, which is at that $40 per SOL. And yes, guys, that is my next target after we break out of this, yearly high that we set for ourselves. $40 price point is currently about 56% away for Solana, and I can see that happening very in the near future. And obviously, as explained to you guys before, Bitcoin dominance, you guys need to be excited right now. If you are an altcoin holder, you need to be excited because Bitcoin is still below $30,000. And during this time, we usually tend to see dominance increase, but nope, that's not the case. We're seeing continuation downside for the Bitcoin dominance, and could possibly even go to 48.8% for the dominance. So things are looking good, and we can see that for ourselves, especially if we're looking at it even on the weekly time frame. If we're looking at the daily time frame, we're seeing the altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin right now, and this is something we haven't seen in a while. So the craziest thing is, obviously people are going to come and make a statement, oh, crypto ZX, but the price of Solana is around the same time. No, it's different, because we did see the price of Solana hit a new yearly high. Not only that, the entire outlook on Solana has completely changed after XRP won its case against the SEC, because obviously SEC was labeling XRP as a security, but XRP won that, and a lot of investors have regained their interest in coins like Solana, Cardano, Polygon, because they say if XRP isn't, why would this be? Because this is a native coin for the Solana blockchain. And speaking about the Solana blockchain, that blockchain is increasing like never before. And some people are making a comparison between Ethereum, and if you are new to my channel, you might not know this, of course, but if you are old to my channel, you guys know I've said this literally from the beginning, like 3 years back. I was saying the closest that I have ever seen two projects come to Ethereum were two of them, and they were Cardano and Solana, and they're the two projects that are battling with one another. Look at this, very close market caps. We see Solana one time at 8, we see Cardano back at 8. So you guys get what I'm trying to say. But Solana has really been outpacing, Cardano over the recent days. But obviously that is, not a surprise right now, because we did have a lot of positive news coming out of Solana. We've seen some big companies using Solana, so that is great to see. And I do believe that time is running out before we do see some massive upside. But of course, that's just my own personal opinion, but I really believe that once we break out of this yearly high, which I think is in the very near future, we could be heading back to that $40 price point, which we have not seen since November of last year. So let me know down below what you guys think. Are you guys accumulating some Solana? Where could you see the price of Solana going? I don't really want to make like a full price prediction, because we need to take it one step at a time. I have made a price prediction before on Solana. I think next cycle, if everything goes as planned, if the ecosystem continues to grow as it's growing, total value locked has increased like insanely over the past few months. So we're seeing what we do want to see happening, but we will see how things really play out. But things really start getting exciting once we get into this 78.6, which I've clearly indicated before on my channel. But that is the current analysis on Solana. I like what I'm seeing, and I do believe that we will see us break out of this level of resistance in the very near future. But let me know down below what you guys think, and are you guys enjoying these Solana updates? I want to hear that from you guys as well. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.